Well, back at it again, fixing to head out to the ranch. I'll show you what's in the trailer and what's in the truck. It's starting to get dark on me, but I've got a good mix of stuff in this trailer, mainly firewood, as you can see when I'm walking on here. I'm gonna take as much water as I can because the well didn't have a whole lot of water in it. I mean, it's probably still got 500 gallons or so, but I don't want to use every last drop. Got a few 5-gallon cans for diesel. I'll be getting the machine back, and hopefully the first part of the week when I'm out there. It's supposed to be repaired. We'll see. Got some culvert pipe inside of it. There's a roll of rubberized roofing membrane, which I'll use for tarps out there. This is the replacement for that tire that blew on my last trip out. There's some 2-inch gas pipe that's in rolls underneath it. It was partial rolls that I got. That was going to get thrown away at a job site. The ramps for the trailer. We'll load the machine back on there. 30-gallon drum of water. That's going to be drinking water down in there. Little half-gallon deals in stainless steel. 15-pound propane. And some other stuff, clothing, you know, that kind of stuff to load in the truck. Well, should be out at the ranch pretty soon. Hopefully no trailer drama. We'll see. Well, I made it out to the ranch. No trailer drama this time, but I could not make it up this section of the road again. So I tried twice. I was going to tear my brand new tires up on the truck. I'll show you where it's at. I need to put about a week into this little section, which I've talked about before. Between this hill and this other little hill right there. So I had to, you know, I'm almost made it to the top, but it didn't have enough with the weight on the trailer to make it up. I just parked it right there. I'm gonna have to hand load firewood and, you know, anything I can pick up by hand and put in the back of the truck, transfer the water into the barrels until I get enough weight off of it that I can make it up with the rest of it. Beautiful day out here as usual, for the most part anyway. Well, I haven't been down to the building, so I'm gonna head that way and get everything unloaded out of the truck, and I may make a couple hauls this evening from the trailer, and then looks like tomorrow is going to be all moving stuff from the trailer to the house location. Well, see you on the next one.